Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn that how to type a name and how we make the typed name bold. You already know that how to type a name as we did practical in the computer lab of school. So today we are going to revise it. First we will learn how to type a name. Here I am using WPS Office application for typing name. You can use MS Word also for this purpose. I am working on laptop. You may also use computer, whichever is convenient for you. Let's start. Look at the keyboard first. As we all know that the first letter of every name should be capital. So for capitalizing first letter, we have to press the caps lock key. As you can see, it is pointed out on the screen with the help of a yellow arrow. I am going to type a name, that is Amna Khan. You can type your name, your mother's or father's name, or any other name you want to. I am going to press the A letter key because the first letter of the name that I have chosen is A. You have to press the key according to the spellings of the name that you have chosen for typing. Now you can see the first letter of name is typed on the screen and the letter is capital A. Now you have to press the caps lock key again for typing the next letter small. As you know, only first letter of any name should be capital and rest are small until the surname starts. Surname is the second name of any person, as in Amna Khan. Khan is the surname. Now I am going to press the caps lock key. Now I am going to complete the first name with the help of M, N and A keys. First I will press M, then N and then A. You can press the keys related to your chosen name according to the spellings. Now you can see on the screen, first name is completed, first letter of the name is capital and the rest are small. Amna is typed on screen. Moving to the surname, you have to give one finger space between the first name and the surname. For giving space, you have to press the space bar that is pointed out with an orange arrow. As you know, the first letter of surname should be capital, so you have to press the caps lock key again. And it is pointed out on screen with the green arrow. So first press spacebar for giving space and then press caps lock key for capitalization. Now I'm going to press the K letter key. You can press any key according to the name you have chosen. It can be A, M or any other key. Now see on screen, first letter of second name is typed and it's a capital K. You can see one finger gap. The gap is in between the first name and surname. Now press the caps lock key again to turn off the capitalization feature. Now I am going to press these keys for completion of surname and the keys are H, A and N. You can press keys according to the spellings of the name you have chosen. Name has been completed now. You can see the full name on screen. Now we will learn how to make the typed name bold. For making any text bold, you have to highlight it first with the help of mouse. As I am working on laptop, you may also work on laptop. So touchpad of laptop is shown on the right side of the screen. It is having two buttons, right and left. If you are using computer, you can see two buttons on mouse as well. You have to use the left button for highlighting the name. Click before typed A, hold down the mouse left button and then drag the pointer over the text you want to select. We will select the full name and you can see the full name is highlighted. After highlighting name, you have to move the cursor to that B which is pointed out by an orange arrow with the help of mouse. That B stands for bold. When you click that B with the left mouse button, the name will turn out bold. Now you can see on your screen the name is turned in bold form. See the difference? Before clicking that feature B, if you can see the left side of the screen, name was less prominent and on the right side of the screen, it is more prominent than before. So do practice at home, type your name and make it bold 10 times.